Good morning, everybody. As we have taken the topic notice today for our YouTube this thing video, I have taken this topic because previously also you have studied, we have discussed in live class also. Now let me tell you the more information about notice. A notice is a written or printed in news announcement or information. A notice can be in the form of a formal announcement of public importance. It can be a warning in advance and may be used for giving information to a section of people or people at large. Notices are given generally Notices are given generally in newspapers or magazines. Educational notices are displayed on notice board in schools and colleges. A notice can also find a place in the columns of a newspaper as an advertisement. Notices are effective means of communication in the modern age. They are one of the effective ways to reach a large number of persons in a short time. As such, we must be clear and brief in writing notices. Notices are like circulars. The only difference is that a circular reaches us through a messenger while we read a notice on the notice board or in a newspaper column. Now, what is can be the format of notice writing? This I am laying stress on. Generally, school notices are written on printed pads of the students' council, institution, drama, or cultural club. Notices are written in a very formal and simple language. Notices for schools and colleges. Notice boards contain certain announcement or information to students. They are brief and to the point, having no scope for irrelevant or superfluous material. The signatures of the issuing authority of the notice, for example, the principal, president, or secretary of the Students' Council, secretary of the drama and cultural club, etc., are made at the bottom on the left side. The date is given either at the top or at the bottom. Now, the students, they can choose the any format of writing date, like as we say 10th March 2020 or 10 March 2020 or March 10 2020, any way which you like. Already I have taken a lot about notice in our live class. So children, I want to tell you that in notice, because it is a means of communication, information, disseminating information to anyone, therefore you should be very clear cut in your thought before writing a notice. The writing should be very legible and you should always take care of each and every word which you select for notice. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept of notice writing. As I already told you that notices are of different types: the lost and found notice, the organizing a certain competition, or organizing a certain tour, or organizing some sort of seminar or some cultural this thing CCA competition. Every time you see a notice is displayed in the school. So I hope the concept of notice writing is very crystal clear to you, and I request all of you to view this, and if you have any doubt, you can always contact me. Thank you.